This video is your step-by-step digital marketing playbook. You'll learn how to find the right YouTube influencers and land in their inbox with a verified, high-converting outreach email. Our 6-step outreach system covers everything, from finding and enriching contact data using tools like Hunter.io and Apollo, to verifying emails properly and organizing your outreach CRM. The final steps focus on improving outreach results with refined messaging and timing. Step 1 is finding the right YouTube influencers. Look for niche alignment, a strong engagement rate, a consistent upload schedule, and a business email visible in their About tab. Remember, micro-influencers often convert better than mega-influencers. Step 2 is extracting business emails. Use the YouTube About tab, employ linked website scraping tools like Hunter.io's browser extension, and cross-reference social profiles for booking or business emails. Step 3 involves using Hunter.io and Apollo. Hunter.io is great for domain email search, instant lookup, and confidence scoring, best for individual creator sites. Apollo.io excels in contact databases, CRM integrations, and scaling outreach at volume. Use them together for maximum power. Step 4. Verify every email. Sending to invalid addresses destroys your sender reputation and tanks deliverability. Use top verification tools like Zero Bounce, Never Bounce, or Hunter Email Verifier. Always verify before sending, even high confidence scores. Step 5 is organizing your outreach spreadsheet. This Google Sheet will be your command center where every lead, status, and follow-up lives. The perfect Google Sheet setup should include columns for channel name, email address, verified status, outreach status, and notes/follow-up date. Color code statuses, freeze header rows, and use drop-down validation for clarity. Step 6 focuses on improving outreach results using 4 pillars: personalization, subject line, timing, and follow-up. Specificity is key to high reply rates. Aim for 40% plus open rates, 15% plus reply rates, and less than 2% bounce on verified lists. You are now ready to launch. You have the complete playbook, covering finding creators, extracting, enriching, and verifying emails, organizing your CRM, and converting leads through personalized follow-up.